అరే ఆ లెంగ్త్ ఎక్కువైతే ఏమైంది? రెసిస్టెన్సీ ఈ లెంగ్త్ ఎక్కువ అయితే ద మోర్ ద లెంగ్త్ ద రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఈజ్ ఇంక్రీజ్డ్. లెంగ్త్ ఎక్కువ అయితే రెసిస్టెన్స్ తగ్గిద్దా పెరిగిద్దా? పెరిగిద్ది. ఇందాక చెప్పా కదా, లెంగ్త్ ఎక్కువ అయితే ఏమైంది? ఇక్కడ ఏమైంది? ఏమైంది? పెరిగిద్ది. ఇక్కడ తగ్గిద్ది. లెంగ్త్ ఎక్కువైంది అనుకో రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఎక్కువ అయిపోద్ది కదా, హీట్ ఎక్కువ అయిపోద్ది. అంతా లెంగ్త్ ఎక్కువైతే ఎక్కువైంది. ఆ తర్వాత ఏరియా ఎక్కువైతే ఏమైంది? తక్కువ. ఇన్వర్సిబుల్ ఏరియా. ఈ వాట్ డస్ ఇట్ మేక్ ఫార్ములా? టెల్ మీ లేదా అటు రాద్దాం ఇది. ఓకే. ఆర్ ఎక్కువైతే ఏమైంది? ఆర్ ఈజ్ ప్రపోర్షనల్ టు లెంగ్త్. ఏమైంది? ఆర్ ఎక్కువైతే బుక్ లో ఉంది చూడండి, టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో చూడండి మీరు. ఫార్ములా ఉంది చెప్పండి. దిస్ ఈజ్ ద ఫార్ములా. Here we will have to, this is the proportion, this is. If you remove, it is equal to, what should be put to? If you remove this proportional constant, this is, you will have to put to proportional constant, that is rho. Then that is L by A. This is proportional constant. Right or no? RHO is the proportional constant. By removing proportional, you have put E is equal to, then you will have to put to rho. This is rho. RHO E is the proportional constant, which is called, what do you call it? This is next resistivity. Right or no? Resistivity. This resistivity called down. There is a difference between resistance and resistivity. There is it has another name also. Specific resistance also it is called. Specific resistance also it is called. This is the unit of resistance. What is there? R is equal to P. If you take L1 A1, L1 A1, 1 unit, 1 centimeter, or that is area 1 centimeter, isn't it? 1 centimeter length, 1 centimeter area. What happens finally? Resistance is equal to rho. Here what is given? Here? Area is equal to, what is that? What is length? Meter. Length is equal to meter square kada. Length is equal to ఏంటది? Tell me formula. What is that? Ohm meter. What is rho? Sare change it into is equal to what is that? Rho is equal to length by R into resistance, A by length. So do that. See formula, take out. What is the formula? If you send that area, what is that formula? Rho is equal to resistivity is equal to A by L, L by A. So tell me, it will be reciprocal. RA by L. This is RA by L. See here, I have changed it. What is that? This will go that side. A by L. Resistivity is equal to R into A. What is R? R is equal to ohm. Area is equal to, area is equal to meter square by meter. Meter cancel. What he has left? Ohm meter is unit of the resistivity. Write down ohm meter. That is ohm meter. In that way we have derived the formula. You might not hear or order in the class. Okay na? This is the class which you have. Have you understood or not? Again I will tell it. What is the resistivity? Unit of unit of resistance is nothing but a resistivity, which is referred by rho. Rho. The unit is equal to ohm meter. That is your ohm meter. What you have observed here? This is the third resistance. We have observed that this is the third one. We have observed what is the finally we have observed. Tell me. V by finally observe. We know that what is E, what is I, what is R. If you go this Ohm's diagram, if you close I, that is V by R. If you close R, V by I. If you close V, I into I times R. In that way you will have to do. In the next class problem, I will tell next class series and parallel, later I can tell Kirchhoff laws and loops. In the Kirchhoff laws, loop law and junction law, I will tell it. Okay.